Hey guys, it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I am going to be doing a little clothing haul. It's not a lot of stuff. This video is in collaboration with Mott and Bow, but it is not a sponsored video. They did go ahead and send me the clothes for me to try, but they're not paying me or sponsoring this video at all. I just wanted to share them with you guys. I have been on the hunt for the perfect jean because I am more on the curvy side, and it's really hard for me to find jeans that fit my waist because I have relatively a small waist, and then that they also kind of hug my butt without squishing it and making it look all flat. And yeah, so for when Mott and Bow reached out to me, I was like, yes, I would love to try your jeans. So they sent me 2 pairs of jeans, and they also sent me 2 basic tops. I love to wear t-shirts with my jeans. I think it's such a quick and easy outfit. You just put on a t-shirt, throw on a pair of jeans, put on a cute sandal or a nice little sneaker, or you can do a nice little heel and you can dress it up, or you can also dress it down. So I'm going to be showing you guys that in today's video, and I'm also going to be showing you guys the softest cashmere sweater ever. But the main focus is the jeans. I love how these jeans fit. Like I mentioned, I am more curvy. I have a big butt, I have big thighs, I have big hips, and I'm relatively smaller on the top. So I wanted to share with you guys some awesome jeans that I have found. So yeah, if you want to see the little clothing haul, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I want to start off by showing you guys this top. This is like a basic black t-shirt. It's such good quality. It's really nice and soft. These jeans are so freaking comfortable. I wear the size 31 and I love them. I have a rip at the knee, and just the quality of these is so amazing. They are super duper high-waisted. My belly button is right here, and the jeans go up really nice and high. If I am going to invest in high-waisted jeans, I want it to be like touching my boobs almost. Like I want it to be really nice and high-waisted, and these jeans are just that. They are so freaking good. They're such good quality, and I love them. They hug my body, they hug my curves. I am obsessed. And then the detail that it has on the knee is so pretty also. It has pockets, and it also has back pockets, which I need a back pocket. I have a bigger booty, so if I don't have a back pocket, my butt tends to kind of look a little saggy. So I love a good butt pocket. So yeah, this is the first outfit. Okay, so this is the second outfit. I am totally wearing the wrong color bra underneath, but that's okay. So we have this basic gray t-shirt. Again, such good quality. It is so soft. By the way, I wear a size large on the t-shirts because I do like them a little bit tighter. And then the jeans, we have a dark blue wash. And again, it just hugs my curves so nice. It keeps everything like nice and up. It makes me look really nice and curvy and like slim. I love these jeans. They're so good, so comfortable. Another thing that I have to add is, since I am very petite, I am only 5'2", so a lot of jeans on the legs, they tend to look a little bulky and a little big. I don't have that problem with these jeans. They fit perfect. They are so freaking good. So yeah, this is what this pair of jeans looks like. And these do not have a cut at the knee. They're just regular jeans. This is a really basic outfit, but I love it because you can definitely go out, just throw on a t-shirt, a pair of jeans, and go out and run some errands, put on a cute pair of sneakers, or you can dress it up with a cute sandal. So yeah. So the last piece that I have to share with you guys is this cashmere sweater. I have never owned anything cashmere because I've always thought that it was something like really expensive, but oh my god, after trying this sweater, I might consider making my whole wardrobe cashmere because this is the softest sweatshirt I have ever owned. It's in this really pretty pink, like millennial pink shade. I like to just kind of tuck mine in like that. And yeah, this is such a cute outfit. We have been having more of like a cooler weather here in Miami, which is really weird because it never gets cold here in Miami. Like the coldest it ever gets is like 70, 75. The temperature here has been like around the 60s, which I know those of you who are under 6 feet of snow right now probably thinking that that is summer for you guys, but to us that is pretty cold, especially because the Miami air is super duper humid. I actually already wore this sweatshirt on one of our really cold days because it's so cozy, it's so comfortable. It's like cozy, but at the same time it's not like super duper hot where you can't, because here's the thing about Miami also, it's really cold in the morning, but like around 3 o'clock it's already super hot. So in the morning you dress like you're going out to play in the snow, but in the afternoon you're dying. So I like this sweater because it still keeps me warm in the morning, but then in the afternoon it's not super hot. I can still wear the sweater, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I really like the way that this sweater fits and looks, and the color is absolutely my favorite thing. So that is going to complete this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely want to start doing more of these. I want to start incorporating more fashion into my channel. So that's it. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Let me know what little online stores, boutiques, or just websites in general you guys want me to shop at so that I can do that next time here on my channel. So that's it. I love you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new video. Mwah.